I'm just gonna be upfront with you. I am incredibly excited for this video because today I have without a doubt, the most requested gaming headset in my comments. You guys have asked for this one over and over and over again, and it is the Master MH752. Yes, finally got my hands on one. I don't know why it took me so long to buy them. I guess the price tag kind of made me a little worried because, as you know, I've already done a review on these, the Master MH. What are these? I think the Master MH630s? I think that's right. If it's wrong, I'll pop it up on the screen. Anyways, I did a review on these, and you know, I love these a lot. I really did, but when I did my re-review over them, I started to notice that the cushioning here on the top and on the ear pads really started to break down quite a bit, and it gave me some worries for longevity. They were still incredibly comfortable, and I think the overall sound of them is still really good, but I would love to have something a little more premium, and that's where these MH752s come in. Now, there is a second version of the MH751. We'll talk about that later, but that's where these come in, where they are the more premium option. They have leatherette all the way around, and they seem to be a little bit better built than just these, which are mostly plastic. So, put these to the side. We'll compare them both later. Let's go ahead and get the MH752s unboxed, open up, and take a look at them. We'll do a whole first impressions crap and everything like that. Of course, I gotta get the knife out. Virtual 7.1 surround sound. So this version, unlike the MH751s, comes with a USB sound card. Timeless good looks. And now I will give them props for that. This headset, at least from the pictures I've seen, actually looks really good. Like, I think they look pretty classy. I'm not gonna lie. Crazy good communication, and it looks like it's using the same mic as the MH630s. We'll do a side-by-side later, but it looks like it's using the same mic as that, so it should be a really good high-quality mic for a headset. Superior comfort, premium sound quality, not supremium. I'm making up words for you. Like, it'll probably be pretty close to the MH630s. I'm gonna assume it's gonna be a little more closed off sound to it, so we'll find out here in a second. And multi-platform compatibility because it's 3.5mm, or you can use the USB sound card. Master, I like their packaging. Like, they don't get too wild with it like JBL does. Let's get these out of the box. And so far with Master, I have never opened anything and not ripped the box. So let's see if today is the day. Oh, ripped it right there. Yep, I failed. Okay. That's going in the floor. So we got the Master logo on top. This is a nice looking, like, this is a nice opening experience. Make your gaming experience. Okay. Just real quick, as well for a spec breakdown, these are $88, I think, on Amazon. I think they're normally about $90 to $100, so. Oh yeah! At least design-wise, the mic is almost exactly the same as the MH630s. Just got this little kind of extra locking piece right here. Let's get the sound card out here. Actually, I guess we'll just go ahead and grab the headset. Oh, baby. Oh my God, that leather is soft. So the headband isn't super padded, but it is covered in that leatherette, whereas these ear pads are very soft, but they're like extremely soft. Like, I hope that they don't mush down easily because I don't want my ears touching the driver wall. That is a huge pet peeve though. But we do get swivel ear cups. It's got like a matte finish and a kind of a rubberized finish as well to it, which feels really good. I'm wondering, what is clamping force like on these? Okay, adjustable right there. Oh, dude. Oh my God. Super low clamping force. Wow. It's not too low, but like, it's like they are not trying to squeeze down at all. We got a big old brick of foam right here. I'll probably chew on that later. The USB sound card, which is braided, completely braided. The purple branding right there. So we got, we have a mic mute slider, mic volume on the side right there. Volume controls for the mic itself. Volume controls for the overall audio, and then the 7.1 button right there. So basically, it's pretty dang close. It's almost exactly like the HyperX sound card. And I'm assuming this is the auxiliary cable. Oh, we have a bag. Yeah, baby. The same bag that comes with the MH630s. And then, let's see how long this is. I'm hoping this is nice and long, but I love that they give you removable cable. It is still the lock-in kind like the MH630s were, but I just really appreciate that they give you removable cable. Yes, nice and long too. Holy crap.
That's what she said.
Very long cable atop of a freaking sound card that you get attached to it, so you have plenty of length to play with. Oh man, I like it. Like, just tiny little markings right there let you know the left and right. They're so smooth. I hope that they hold up for a long time. We're definitely gonna test them out quite a bit. I'm gonna probably make these my daily driver for the next like 2 months or so. Yeah, they seem good though. Like I said, I'm mostly impressed with the fit. Anyway, so these are the Master MH752s. Let's go ahead and do the old classic, hook it up, get a game going, and we'll see how the actual audio sounds in game, and then we'll give the full final review on it. Okay, we need to first test out the mics on both of these headsets. Since they are basically the exact same mic, I just want to know, is it a good mic, or is it as good as the MH630? Because we know that the MH630 has one incredible mic. So let's first test out with the MH752. Who flung poo on my shoe? Was it you? Was it you? Now for the MH630s. Who flung poo on my shoe? Was it you? Was it you? Which one sounded best to you? Was it the $50 headset or was it the $90 headset? So the ultimate test to find out exactly how good this headset really sounds, and right now it sounds really good. Compared to the MH630s, I would say that the bass is a lot more present here. And I'm not using it with the digital surround, but just in general, man, it sounds really good. Like the guns right here sound fantastic. Yeah, this headset sounds really good, especially I think I never had a major issue with the sound in the MH630, but it was definitely lacking in a lot of bass, and I think this headset really fixes that. I guess the big question, would it be worth the extra money compared to the MH630s? And I'm starting to think kind of yeah right now. Like the story mode for this game is pretty cinematic, and playing a cinematic game like this, very good. I have already tried it out with Apex Legends, and I really love the way it sounds for Apex Legends. I thought it sounded really good. So for $80 to $90, I think right now, at least for these initial first impressions, this headset seems to be pretty solid. Now we'll have a full review coming soon, so make sure you're subbed for that. But right now, just initial impressions, I think I really like these things. Now the only thing I am noticing right now is that they do seem to get pretty hot, but with it being winter, we got our heat going, that can play a part into it. Now the audio on these doesn't make them the best gaming headset out there, but I think it's definitely really good audio, and it's definitely a huge step up from the MH630s. But make sure you check out my recent review on the JBL Quantum 50s. Now get out of here!